everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the long hiatus. I've been away during Ramadan, so here is my first video. I collaborated this video with Natashah Rashid, another YouTuber, and she's also a beauty content creator in IG. You guys can follow her and check her out. Here is her link. Here is the handle name. Okay, so based on the title, we both did a cruelty-free makeup product. So if you guys want to know what products that she shared, you guys can head on to her channel and check her out. And don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel and also her Instagram channel. But first, before we move on to the tutorial and also the sharing session, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for the 952 subs. I love you guys, so let's go and hit the 1000 subs. It will mean the world to me if you guys like this video also and share it with your friends. So let's get on with the video. Today I'm gonna share with you guys some products that I found that is a cruelty-free product. I hope that I and also you guys can avoid in using products that are animal tested. Sometimes benda tu kita susah nak ubah sebab kita dah pakai tu for very long time. Okay, so I hope you guys can learn something from this video, and let's get on with the first product. So I'm gonna set my face with Beyond Beauty face primer. Okay, this is a local made product from Malaysia, and it is a instant texture smoothing primer. I've been using this and I've been loving it. Dia macam dupe to Benefit Professional, but I think this one is way better. I don't know why. You guys gonna try. Dah nak habis sebenarnya, so I'm gonna take it. Sapu kat your face which ada pores yang terbuka. It helps to minimize your pores lah. It doesn't diminish the pores, tapi dia help to minimize or shrink a little bit, and also protect your skin lah from makeup. Okay, next from the same brand, they came out with a makeup base. So this is a mattifying skin barrier base. So this one, if you want your makeup to look matte, so you can use this. This is from Beyond Beauty as well. The name is Branch Universalis. Macam ni. Buat dia ada 5 point punya cara bubuh, but I forgot how. Macam ni kot. Okay. Okay, so while I wait for my makeup base macam mix with my skin well, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is from Mermatte, Malaysia, also a local made. So come, I'll bring you. Oh wait. Okay, it is a dual ended. Dia ada brush. Belakang, this is the product. It's very smooth, you know. Never underestimate local made product. You just have to find the ones that are good. So brush it off. Brush balik, brush. So the brand I'm gonna share with you guys is this. Cantik kan? Isn't it pretty? So this is in 3 shades. This is from Mermatte, Malaysia also, and ada 3 shades. So I'm going to use it, one for the concealer, highlight, and also contour, and also the foundation. So kita tengok how it perform. Sini ni untuk foundation. Ni untuk eyeshadow base, bubuh sikit. I think that's enough. This is also from local product and cruelty free, and this is from Sandcastle Cosmetics. Okay, jom kita. It is very bouncy, very smooth, and tak keras langsung. I'm amazed with our local brand product. Here a little bit, here a little bit. At the tip of my nose. Okay. Here. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, so I'm gonna control my pipi yang gebu ni. Lama sangat duduk rumah. We're gonna set our makeup with a loose powder. So this is Shad's perfecting powder, translucent in sheer finish, and this is also a local product. Okay. Oh, banyaknya. Okay. Stop. I look crazy right now. Okay, I'm gonna biar it a few seconds and then I'm gonna wipe it off, and then we're gonna start with our eye makeup look. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Wanderlust palette from Breena Beauty and also brush from Breena Beauty. This is the fluffy blending brush. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with this color. Okay, so next kita nak share eyeliner. Ini daripada FeverGlam. So diorang pun local punya produk. Okay, blusher. Blusher ni daripada Beauty Ra. Born to Blush, code Mermatte. Okay, so next highlighter. This one is from Kamelia Cosmetic. Buka kat sini. Lepas tu dekat inner corner. Lepas tu dekat hidung. And finished off my makeup with some lipsticks. Okay, ni daripada Sofwanah Cosmetic, Wanderlust Lipcreme. So mula-mula kita bubuh warna Dawn, and then I'm gonna create that ombre look. I'm gonna use Dusk inside. Ni. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off my makeup dengan setting spray ni daripada VTxBTS face fixer. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and the sharing session of cruelty-free makeup products. And if you guys have any suggestion what video that I should do next, please comment down below. And if you guys want to find out what products that I use, kalau korang terlepas, you can check the description down below. And thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Bye, see you guys soon.